China's crackdown on digital currencies is really crimping crypto style, not cramping. That's cramping. Crimping crypto style. Hedge funds adding to the doom and gloom as they predict regulation will slam Bitcoin's buoyancy. But regulation from whom, Charlie? Is it China? We already knew they hated Bitcoin and crypto.
I want to get through these headlines really quick because there is a fascinating battle brewing right now between Rich Greenfield, the veteran analyst, and AMC. I know you had the CEO of AMC on the show a while back, so you'll be interested in this battle. Listen, there's a couple things going on here. There's regulation from the U.S. There's increasingly, I would say, skepticism among hedge funds. They're lightening up their positions here for pending U.S. regulation more than the Chinese regulation. And, you know, when you talk to hedge fund investors, they say that the 37,000 price that's here right now does not reflect the potential regulatory intervention the Biden administration could put on crypto. Thus, they could see it's selling down to, below 30 before it starts to stabilize. At least that's what my hedge fund sources are telling me. So be wary here. I mean, it's going to be a lot of volatility in this, and it's more than just China. It's the U.S. being involved here. Janet Yellen talking about an IRS crackdown. So that's what you have to factor in some of this stuff. Let's get to what's going on with Rich Greenfield and AMC. Put Frank, this is fascinating. It's all over my Twitter feed. You could go to see Gasperino on my Twitter feed and see this thing play out in real time. It's essentially Rich Greenfield saying this, that because he's a very much of a bear on AMC stock, I think he has a 1 cent price target on this because he thinks that the movie theater business is not coming back. People don't go to the movies. That AMC is essentially retaliating against him and encouraging was the words he used, including the management, senior management, and the CEO are encouraging the vicious online harassment that he's getting on Twitter day in and day out. By the way, the online harassment that he gets, I mean, we all get it, obviously. People don't like what you say, and it hurts their stock position, and they take it out on you. It's disgusting, and Twitter puts up with it, and maybe that's why they can't sell to. That's why they probably can't sell to Disney, and why the price of Twitter is where it is right now because it's such an unwholesome atmosphere. But Rich went further than just look at these trolls attacking me. These meme stock trolls, these people that love the meme stocks that are sticking it to Wall Street allegedly. Yeah. It's more than that. I mean, he is saying that CEO. Adam Aron is encouraging did I get that name right? There he is.
Adam Aron.
Adam Aron is encouraging the online harassment and threats, and that with these despicable, disgusting memes that they put up. We've asked Mr. Aron for a comment. We've asked AMC for a comment. They have not given us a comment. But, listen, here's the thing, Liz, what makes this an interesting story, why it's a story. I've never heard an analyst say that the CEO of a publicly traded company is encouraging online harassment, so he changes his rating. This is a story that's going to keep coming. Back to you, Liz.
Charlie Gasperino, very interesting and breaking, as always.